Hey there, Darklings. Today we're diving into the chilling world of serial killers. What really makes them tick? Is it nature, nurture, or something more sinister? Let's explore the psychology behind these infamous figures. First, let's talk about the brain. Many studies suggest that serial killers often have abnormalities in their prefrontal cortex. This area of the brain is responsible for impulse control and moral reasoning. When it doesn't function properly, it can lead to a lack of empathy and an inability to control violent urges. Creepy, right? But wait, there's more. It's not just about brain structure. Early childhood experiences play a huge role too. Many serial killers have histories of severe abuse, neglect, or trauma. This can lead to deep-seated anger and a warped sense of reality. For example, take Ted Bundy. He had a confusing and abusive upbringing, and his crimes were partly an attempt to exert power and control that he never felt as a child. Now, onto the infamous McDonald triad. Ever heard of it? It's a set of 3 behaviors: bedwetting past a certain age, cruelty to animals, and fire setting. These are often seen in childhood and can be red flags for future violent behavior. But remember, not everyone who wets the bed or sets fires becomes a serial killer. It's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. Let's also delve into the concept of psychopathy. Psychopaths are often charming and manipulative. They can blend into society effortlessly. But beneath that facade, they're cold and calculating. Take John Wayne Gacy, for instance. He was a well-liked community member who even dressed up as a clown for children's parties. But behind closed doors, he was a monster. So why do they kill? For some, it's about power and control. For others, it's an insatiable desire for fame and notoriety. And for a few, it's a twisted form of pleasure. Each killer has their own unique motivations, but they often share a common lack of empathy and remorse. Lastly, let's touch on the role of society and media. Some experts argue that sensationalized media coverage can inadvertently glorify these killers, giving them the fame they craved in life. This can inspire copycats and perpetuate the cycle of violence. So, to sum it up, serial killers are a complex mix of genetic, psychological, and environmental factors. They're not born, but rather made by a combination of circumstances, and while it's fascinating to study them, it's also a grim reminder of the darker side of human nature. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the minds of serial killers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more chilling content. Stay safe and always be aware of the darkness that can lurk in the most unexpected places. Bye for now!